This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Yolon Riveiro. Spacious home in downtown Oviedo on a gracious lot with mature trees and no hoa. Fantastic floor plan with split bedrooms, formal living, dining and kitchen open to the family room with wood-burning fireplace. French doors leading to the pool from the family room and also master bedroom. 2-bath has a door that leads to the pool. Fantastic pool with lanai and pool screen, ready for Florida summer. Very large lot, plenty of room for an RV, boat or trailer on the side. Roof 2018, newer windows and fence. For more information, review the details below or contact Yolon Riveiro at 407-588-1800.